right, so let's do another one here. Let's find the dynamic or the kinetic and static friction, right? So kinetic friction, and this is the one you'll use in all the rest of the problems, right? Is mu times m times g, right? So it's 0.31 times 8.35 times 9.8. $25.3673. And that is the force. If you're sliding this thing along the ground, that's the force you'd have to exert to move it at a constant speed. If you exert a force bigger than that, it would go faster and faster. And if you exert a force less than that, it would actually slow down and stop. Okay, so let's find the static. That's just going to be the same thing, right? Mu times m times g. Only we use the static coefficient, so 0.47 times 8.35 times 9.8. So 0.47 times 8.35 times 9.8 is 38.4601. All right, now, if I exert 45 newtons on this thing, will it start to move if it's at rest? And the answer is, of course, yes, because the applied force of, and you got to say all these things, of 45 newtons is much bigger than the maximum static force of 38.46 newtons. So it would therefore break the weak chemical bonds, I know you can't read my handwriting, between the block and the surface, and the block would begin to move. All right. Hopefully you can't read that. I'm sorry.